Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, take two. I thought I was recording. I talked for 8 minutes, and when I checked, I didn't have nothing. I didn't push record. Anyways, let's start beginning again. So this is the Decorate Your Lantern, the summer edition. But since today is July 1st, I want to do my lantern for the 4th of July. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you in a minute. You guys gonna see a mess in the background because I have stuff on my recliner over there that I'm using and a mess on the table. And guys, this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and she also has some co-hosts, which I am one of the co-hosts, Deborah Cabassa Home Living. We have Debbie Bubbles, Designs with Emma, At Home with Lisa, and Sandylin Home and Garden. Guys, I will link everybody's channel in my description box below so you guys can go and check them out, and also you guys can go and watch the playlist. All right, guys. Well, I used to have stuff from the Dollar Tree. I have these ribbons are from Michaels. I got this at 60% off a while back. I showed you guys in a haul. I have some DIY firecrackers that I DIY long time ago, which I want to use. I have this on my stack for like 2 or 3 years ago from the Dollar Tree. You guys know this is from the Dollar Tree. I bought it last year. I never used it. I have 2 of these. This one I bought last week, I believe. I shared this in a haul with you guys. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I brought it out just in case. And of course, some greenery. And this, I'm just showing you this one. This one's, I went thrifting. I have a big thrift haul that I'm going to record. I don't know if I'm going to do a live or I'm just going to record a video and share it with you guys. If you guys like doilies, I got a package of doilies, a big one. I think that's just going to be one video. But anyways, enough about that. This is what I have done so far. This lantern, I did it in a video step by step. I show you how to do it. So I will link either here or here how to do it. So I added some greenery to my lantern. I had a couple of the ribbons. I got them hanging towards the back because I wanted to be seen from the back. So guys, now you guys are not going to see my face. I'm going to turn you down and show you the mess that I am working with, guys. This is the life of a DIYer. So there is my lantern. You guys cannot see the whole thing, but there is my lantern. So I have a bow here that I want to add to it. This is the same bow that I had last year. It's a messy bow. And I want to add it. It has the 4th of July colors. This type of ribbon. And of course, this messy bow. I want to glue it here on the center. I want to add a 4th of July. I don't know. I think I'm going to add this little hat here. I'm going to glue it. Or I don't know if I'm going to put this one. But this one is kind of too big. So let me see what I'm going to do. I got to connect my glue gun. I do not have it connected. Unfortunately, I forgot about that. So I'm going to do that, guys. And I'm going to bring you guys back. So yeah, let me figure it out what I'm going to do, guys. All right, guys. I changed my mind about putting the piece that I grabbed. I think it was way too big. So I decided to go with white foam star, and I glue it with my glue gun. So I put it on the center. Let me turn you guys a little bit up and bring you guys closer. So there you guys have it. I'm trying not to catch the TV. There you go. So I just gotta fix my bow now. Guys, you guys gonna be hearing some little kids screaming in the background. My windows are open. The kids are outside enjoying the weather. Today is a beautiful day. And the kids been inside, because it's been extremely hot, so we can blame them. The moms got them out, you know, they're outside running around screaming. They're my neighbors' babies. They are really cute. Anyway, guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to this bow I did it last year, and you know, so I want to cut this and put like a little like this. I want to do like the little ducktails, so I want to do that. So, and this one is, I don't know, backwards, but anyways, that's what happened when you put stuff away and it moves, it shift. So I'm going to cut all of these and give them a cute edge. So that's what we are going to do. So I figure I could use the same bow instead of um, cutting some new ribbon. So yep, that's what I'm doing, guys. Yep, that looks better. So I'm going to do it to some of them, not all of them. So I'm gonna keep continuing with this, a little bit of progress, and then I'm going to continue, see what I'm going to do. How, besides this, what else I'm going to use on the inside. I'm going to put different pieces on the inside, and then I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to change it, and we are just gonna keep doing that. And let me cut this one the right way. You know, I cannot even do a bow in my life, depends on it, but and then these scissors are not cooperating. All right, guys, I'm going to fix the bow, and then I'm going to I may add some more things, of course. So I'm gonna pause you right there, and I'm going to see what I'm going to do. Like I said, I have this firecrackers that I did last year, or not last year. I did this like maybe 4 or 5 years ago when I was living in the other house. So I did a whole bunch of firecrackers for a tier tray that I did. So, and since we are doing 4th of July, that's what it's looking like. This one have never stood up straight. So, yeah, guys. What else can I put in here? Put a little light. Let's see if I, okay. Let me see this. All right, let me turn off the light, guys. Hold on. All right, guys, I'm going to bring you close. Concentrate on the lantern, not on the stuff around it. This is what it looks like from the sides, of course, and the back of it. In the back, I'm going to add, I have a bow that I want to add back here because I'm going to put it on the table and I don't want this to show. So I do have a bow that I got from the Dollar Tree that I will place right there. That's what it looks like. And then I have a few firecrackers on the inside with a tea light candle, which is in the shape of a star. So I want to do that. So I'm going to take that out and I'm going to add some things. I'm not feeling this. So I want to add maybe flowers or something else. So yeah, guys, let me come over here and say hi. Hi, guys. Sorry about the background. You guys can see my table is to set from last Tablescape Tuesday. So let me change this display and I'll bring you guys back. I'm still cutting some of this ribbon. Sorry about that, guys. Oh my goodness. I apologize for that noise. I don't know what is going on. I think that's the truck picking up emptying out the trash containers. Dumpster, however you pronounce that. So yeah. So I'm still cutting some of this ribbon that I didn't notice I didn't cut. So I want it to look like so. So guys, this is the second one that I put in here. I think I like this one better. It looks more nicer. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I have a red planter, and then I put some blue roses with that has glitter. That's from the Dollar Tree. And then I put the little branch of greenery with the little flowers in the back. And also I added one of those picks with the hat for the 4th of July. So guys, I think I like the display better. I don't know if I want to do another display. If I do a summer display, I will have to change the bow and but I could also add another 4th of July display, which that's the one that I'm going to bring you next. And you guys gonna tell me which one do you like best. The first one, honestly, I was not feeling it at all. The firecrackers, I was not feeling it. But I'm going to do something else that I think I may like it as well. So I'm going to need your opinion and telling me which one I should leave up. Okay, so let me change it around. All right, let's put together the third display. So I'm going to add this here at the bottom, just for the colors and the little flowers, of course, like one of those things, necklace that you put in your neck. So also I'm going to add, this is a candle holder from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add it there as well. Also, this time I'm going to use my cross. You guys can see the light is on. So I'm going to place it in here. So hopefully it'll stand there. Okay. Okay, no, let me see. I have the gnome right here. Then I add my cross here. I don't think it's going to fit. I'm gonna have to do the display with the cross separate because it don't fit. So that will be another display. So there is my gnome, and I will add. Let me add this firecracker. Maybe this one will look okay. Right here in the back. Sorry if the video is getting too long, but I just want you guys to give me your opinion. Which one should I leave up? So, there. And then this is a little light, which I will place right on top of the little stand. So guys, what do you guys think? I have the gnome here, this little light that I bought last year from the Dollar Tree, and the firecracker in the back. So what do you guys think about this one? I also like this one as well. And this one will be bright at night, blinking. So yeah guys, and that's the pot. Maybe I put the pot right next to the vase. I put the vase next to the lantern. So yeah guys, that's the other look. So let's change it around one last time. This is my last display, and what I did was I just placed the cross in the back with I'm trying to put this little star here, but I don't know, so this is going to be my last display. I just put the big gold candle holder. I have the cross right there because it doesn't fit straight across. And I just put this little blinking hat there. And I got the candle on top of one of my little ribbon rolls, so it could give it some height. Like that, I could put the cross there better. All right, guys. So I think, I don't know, I think I'm going to leave this one. I'm going to switch them around from now to the 4th of July. So yeah, guys, this is what my lantern looks like. And I told you that in the back I was going to add a bow, so I added the bow. So like that, when you look from the back, it doesn't look like such a mess. So, and I will be leaving the little arrangement like so. So I'm going to do a little vignette. So yeah, guys, look at the mess that I have on the table. That's what I was working with. Guys, I hope you like what I put together for you. Tell me which one you like the best. So guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.